Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to show you this Libra makeup and hair transformation. So thank you guys so much for joining me and I hope you enjoy the video. So I'm just going to start with my basic base routine. So I'm moisturizing. Today I'm using the Confidence in a Cream by IT Cosmetics, I think that's what it's called, and then their CC cream as a base, but just use whatever you have and you enjoy if you're following along. And for concealer, I am just using the Tarte concealer, and again, just use whatever you have if you're following along. So I'm just gonna do a very basic contour. This is just like what I would do for my face. I'm not trying to do any like specific results or anything. So just doing my forehead, my cheek, and my jawline, and of course my nose, like always. And then I'm just going to go over with a bronzing powder. This just kind of helps to set it and everything. And I'm just going to go in and really enhance that cheekbone with a powder contour as well. And I'm so weird because I'm using mascara as a brow gel. I'm all out of brow gel, so that is what I'm left with. So I'm just filling in my brows as normal. And of course, a good thick layer of blush because I don't know, I love it. I love it so much. And starting with the eyes, I am just gonna tightline. I just do this with a cream waterproof eyeliner. It just makes your lashes look more full and everything looks a lot more cohesive. I'm also just going to do a pretty simple wing with my NYX Epic Wear black liner. And I have previously set my eyeshadow with like a base color and then put a very light crease shade. And now I'm taking this Colourpop white liner and doing just like kind of a cut crease liner, I guess. I'm not really sure what you call this, but the Colourpop liner is pretty transparent. So I'm going in with this Kat Von D, it's like a cream liner, and this just really helped make the white pop. So I like this step. And then of course, just putting some shadow underneath.
I'm so angry.
What?
Guys, I'm just trying to make a video. It's supposed to be relaxing for me.
So.
I just dun. Now I gotta open our fucking window. Good thing I'm wearing clothes, I guess.
So of course adding mascara, and I messed up my liner a little bit, so I just wanted to show you if you do that. I always just put some concealer, and this is a Ben Nye brush. Anything that's just like a flat concealer brush, you can just like literally erase it with concealer. And of course overlining my lips for a nice plump look, and going in with a Victoria's Secret liquid lipstick. Don't exactly remember what shade this is, but for me, I just wanted to do like a nice pinky, like a warm pink shade. And these are the Ardell Wispies. As always, you guys know me. And so for the wig, how I prep is I take my braids and I just pin them into place in sort of like a braid crown around my head. And this takes a couple of seconds. And then for the wig cap, I've honestly never ever done this by myself. I've always had someone to help me because it's been for theater or acting stuff. So it honestly wasn't hard. You kind of just like put it on. And this wig I got from Insert Name Here, which I really, really love the hair company. It's super cool and they always have like super, super cute stuff. So I take a hot minute to figure out how to put this on, but you'll see. And this is the finished look. I was super happy with it. I honestly want to wear this wig like out and about. I just need to figure out how to put it on better. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe and like this video if you haven't already. And I will see you guys next time. Love you.